Question number 1. What is the best position after abdominal surgery? The correct option is B. Semi-fowlers. Question number 2. Which electrolyte imbalance is associated with tetany? The correct option is C. Hypocalcemia. Question number 3. A patient with Parkinson's disease should avoid food rich in. The correct option is A. Protein. Question number 4. The preferred site for arterial blood gas sampling is. The correct option is A. Radial artery. Question number 5. What is the normal range of potassium in the blood? The correct option is B. 3.5 to 5 milli equal per liter. Question number 6. Which vaccine is given to prevent neonatal tetanus? The correct option is D. Tetanus toxoid. Question number 7. Which artery is used to check the pulse during CPR? The correct option is C. Carotid artery. Question number 8. What is the most common site for checking blood pressure? The correct option is B. Brachial artery. Question number 9. Which of the following is an ear-borne disease? The correct option is A. Tuberculosis. Question number 10. What is the most reliable sign of cardiac arrest? The correct option is B. Absence of pulse. Question number 11. What is the normal endotracheal tube size for an adult male? The correct option is C. 8 mm. Question number 12. Which cancer is associated with Epstein-Barr virus? The correct option is D. Hodgkin's lymphoma. Question number 13. What is the primary treatment for leukemia? The correct option is C. Chemotherapy. Question number 14. Which heart sound is heard in mitral stenosis? The correct option is D. Opening sniff. Question number 15. What is the most common type of fracture in children? The correct option is B. Green stick fracture. Question number 16. What is the treatment for compartment syndrome? The correct option is C. Episiotomy. Question number 17. Which condition is most commonly associated with aging? The correct option is A. Osteoporosis. Question number 18. Which vitamin is often deficient in elderly individuals? The correct option is D. Vitamin B12. Question number 19. Which PPE is required for airborne precautions? The correct option is B. N95 respirator. Question number 20. Which level of prevention includes vaccination programs? The correct option is A. Primary. Question number 21. Which presentation is safest for vaginal delivery? The correct option is C. Vortex. Question number 22. Which device is used for mechanical ventilation? The correct option is C. Ventilator. Question number 23. Which antibiotic is used for MRSA infections? The correct option is B. Vancomycin. Question number 24. What is the primary complication of radiation therapy? The correct option is D. Myeloma suppression. Question number 25. What is the main goal of primary health care? The correct option is A. Preventing diseases. Question number 26. Which leadership style is most effective in emergencies? The correct option is B. Autocratic. Question number 27. What is the ideal nurse patient ratio in ICU? The correct option is A. 1:1. Question number 28. Which maneuver is used for a choking patient? The correct option is C. Heimlich maneuver. Question number 29. Which electrolyte imbalance is common in renal failure? The correct option is B. Hyperkalemia. Question number 30. Which position is best for a patient with hypovolemic shock? The correct option is D. Trendelenburg. Question number 31. What is the normal range of central venous pressure? The correct option is B. 5 to 10 mm of Hg. Question number 32. Which drug is used as antidote for opioid overdose? The correct option is B. Naloxone. Question number 33. Which type of insulin has the fastest onset of action? The correct option is C. Levodopa. Question number 34. Which of the following is an early symptom of hypoxia? The correct option is B. Restlessness. Question number 35. Which class of drug is used to treat bacterial infections? The correct option is B. Antibiotics. Question number 36. Which of the following is a common side effect of opioids? The correct option is D. Constipation. Question number 37. Which fetal heart rate indicates fetal distress? The correct option is C. 80 to 100 beats per minute. Question number 38. Which type of hallucination is most common in schizophrenia? The correct option is A. Auditory. Question number 39. What is the most serious side effect of clozapine? The correct option is B. Agranulocytosis. Question number 40. What is the most common early sign of lung cancer? The correct option is B. Cough. Question number 41. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? The correct option is B. Cerebellum. Question number 42. Which neurotransmitter is deficient in Parkinson's disease? The correct option is A. Dopamine. Question number 43. Which test is used to diagnose myasthenia gravis? The correct option is D. Tansalins test. Question number 44. What is the drug of choice for acute heart failure? The correct option is B. Furosemide. Question number 45. Which bone is affected in Colles fracture? The correct option is B. Radius. Question number 46. Which condition is associated with brittle bones? The correct option is A. Osteoporosis. Question number 47. Which infection is most common in hospital settings? The correct option is B. MRSA. Question number 48. What is the ideal birth spacing recommended by WHO? The correct option is C. 2 years. Question number 49. What is the best method for controlling a community disease outbreak? The correct option is D. Mass vaccination. Question number 50. Which organ is most commonly affected in cirrhosis? The correct option is B. Liver.